Oh my goodness, the market fell this morning. What in the world am I going to do? Hello, my friends. This is Legend. If you were in the market today or if you were looking today, I'm sure you noticed it earlier this morning that the market just fell. We're looking at MSTY right now, and you can see that it was up around about that $28.20 area. And then it came out at around about 4 o'clock and fell. And it fell down to about $26.20. Just to give you another example, here's the SPY. As you can see, it was that same time, right, 4:05. So the overnight, it was staying pretty steady. Looks like the SPY was still at around about that 6:07. But at 4 o'clock this morning, it just fell out. And the SPY itself dropped down here, right there at that 4:05 time period. It dropped down to 5.95-ish. So it dropped $10 at 4 o'clock. Crazy. And that didn't stop there, right? It just kept on kind of falling on down as it continued on through the pre-market. So it got down as low as the 589.88 and then started creeping back up some. Then you can see here people started trying to buy into it, and it just kind of stayed a little bit somewhat flat for today. That was a huge drop today. But let's look again on MSTY here. And as you can see, that same time it did drop, and then it traded somewhat sideways. It went down. And like I said, it got down as low as about $26.20. Then when it came out, it looks like it opened at around that $27 range. And then it got as high here as about $28.18. And then it just kept on going down. Down, down, down. So it got down as low as $25.76. Oh, woe is me. But that's okay. I'm just messing. I did not worry about that much, actually. I took that as an opportunity, especially with that drop. I took that as an opportunity to buy. Believe it or not, I did buy. As you can see here on the day chart, got as low as $25.76. And it went as high as $28.18. So I did not catch it at the $25.76, but man, I wish I would have. I ended up getting it at about $27.25. And if I look at the 5-minute chart here, I had bought it right in this area, right? So $27.25 puts it about right here. And that's where I bought it because it started moving up. So I didn't want to miss that drop. So I did buy into it at that point. And it went on up. And then, of course, it came on back down. And it kept on going back down. And, of course, I wasn't watching it all day, right? I only saw it that morning. But it looks like throughout the day, it kept on dropping all the way down to $25.76. And if you got it around that point, congratulations. That's a good move, I think, because then it turned right around and it went right on back up. And so it's sitting back at that 27.61 here. So it was a fun ride. That was like a little roller coaster right there. I mean, just look at this. That is nasty. That right there, that's nasty. It comes in, shoots up, falls way down, and then shoots back up. But it's not just MSTY, so don't think it's a MSTY that is just falling apart. You can look at pretty much all the stocks. That 4 o'clock, it just fell, right? Pretty much all the stocks fell. Not all of them, but a lot of the big companies I've saw, like NVDY, Microsoft. There's Microsoft right there. I mean, look at that. That is nasty. Nasty. 443 down to $410. Whew, that's all pre-market right there. But wow, that is nasty. And then it started going up, and then I tried to buy it when it came out. but it just shot up too fast right here. It just shot up and it kept on going up, so I kind of just moved on. I was not able to get into that one. This dotted line is my current average cost for Microsoft. So if it dropped below it, I was willing to buy. But I would have had to get into it early pre-market back here. But I don't know about you, but I was asleep at that time at around 5 o'clock. Now when I saw it around about that 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish time frame, still pre-market and down really low, I was kind of thinking when it comes out that there's going to be a lot of people selling. So I was holding off thinking that when people saw it down this low, they were going to start selling and it would just fall on down, right? So I was looking for hopefully being able to get even a better buy price, but you never know, right? It's a 50-50 shot as if it goes down or it goes up. In this case, it went up. So I just took that as I just missed that one and moved on. So anyway, did you buy any of MSTY today? I know I did. I know that took my total quantity up to 366 shares because I bought 7 more shares today at that lower price, not that price down here. Unfortunately, I wish I could have got it there, but I did not. I got it at the 27.25 for 7 additional shares today. So that ended up putting me at a total quantity of 366 shares with an average price of $25.44. So yes, by buying today, I did average up. You know, on a stock that you're long-term with, sometimes you got to average up in order to buy into it. So anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up right there. Let me know if you got into any of MSTY. Did you buy anything today? There was a lot of opportunities for some good buys today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It'd be much appreciated. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before you get into any stock plays. And until next time, legend out.